Ew, the water looks pretty gross here. I guess I'll just go swimming further down the beach. Beach closed, high algae levels, no swimming. Looks like I won't be swimming here for a while. It's a good thing our county tests the water quality in our local lakes and rivers. In fact, the county does a lot to keep us healthy. Counties spend the most money on health and human services programs, which help people have all the things they need for a safe and healthy life.
Counties need health departments to keep the entire population healthy. People go to their doctor to take care of their health, but their doctor is focused on the individuals that come to see them and only those individuals typically. A local health department is concerned about the health of the entire population.
All right. Well, the kitchen looks good.
Thank you.
Been busy cleaning, I see.
We do restaurant inspections. We go in and make sure that they're storing food properly, that they're preparing it properly, it's being served properly, because if they miss any important steps along the way, people can become very sick from eating that food. In the summertime, we have a lot of waterways here, lakes and rivers, and people like to swim on those beaches. So we have staff who will go to the beaches, they take samples of the water, we send it to a lab, and the lab does a test on that water. They look for things like blue-green algae that can make both people and animals sick, cause things like really bad vomiting and diarrhea and rashes that are extremely uncomfortable.
Did you know that almost all kids 18 and younger can get basic checkups and shots through the county public health department if their family doesn't have insurance? County services like this can save as many as 33,000 lives throughout the country.
We provide shots for kids that protect them against whooping cough, chicken pox, measles, things where you get spots all over your body. And those types of diseases can be very dangerous for kids. Even though it's uncomfortable, we try to make it fun. We give them a quick shot in the arm, and people walk out the door and they don't get those serious illnesses. The health department also takes care of your teeth and tries to help you have a bright smile. We go to every school in Wood County that has a second grade population, but we also see other kids in that school who might be older and might be having dental problems. We have a dental hygienist that works for us, so she will put the kids in a chair, put a cool pair of sunglasses on them typically, take a good look in the mouth, look for any problems with the teeth, and then she puts on what are called dental sealants. It's like a coating that goes over the back of the teeth to fill in the grooves so that food doesn't stick in there and cause cavities.
The county also offers programs for people with physical and mental disabilities, senior citizens, and those struggling with drug and alcohol abuse.
Everybody knows somebody who is struggling with an issue. Sometimes it's a mental health issue, a drug issue, an alcohol issue. Maybe you know a friend that's thinking about committing suicide. The health department is one door that you can open to help yourself or friends obtain the services that they need. So there are lots of places that we can get help for people, and the health department is one of those places.
So you clip across her hips, just like her infant seat.
Sometimes when babies are born, the parents aren't quite sure how to take care of them. So we work with families, we go to their homes on a regular basis and make sure they know how to care for that baby so that the baby can grow and develop and be healthy. And that results in kids who are really good at learning and able to learn just like you.
Counties also offer food and housing assistance for families struggling to make ends meet. They also provide social services like family counseling and investigate reports of child abuse or neglect.
You may not think that what the health departments in counties do is as important as what the governor and the president does, but if the health department were not there, you would notice. In the elementary schools, we try to teach kids how to wash their hands, which is a #1 way that we can cut down on diseases and get rid of germs that cause the diseases that make people sick. We give immunizations to children. We test our beach water to make sure it's safe for you to go swimming in. Our health department participates with other local organizations so that we can make people as healthy as possible and keep them as safe as possible. What the health department does is a very, very important part of county government.
The health department says this lake is safe, so I'm going to enjoy the water. Remember, the county does a lot to keep you and your family healthy every day.